French aerospace giant Safran has expressed its intention to establish a full-fledged final assembly line for Rafale engines in India, contingent upon the Indian Air Force placing additional orders for the Rafale fighter aircraft. This proposal represents a significant industrial commitment from a global original equipment manufacturer and highlights India's growing role in the global aerospace supply chain. The Indian Navy's indigenous aircraft carrier, INS Vikrant, has arrived at the port of Colombo, Sri Lanka, to participate in the International Fleet Review 2025, following an invitation from the Sri Lanka Navy. Indrajal Drone Defence has announced the launch of India's first anti-drone patrol vehicle, named Indrajal Ranger. This innovative, fully mobile, AI-enabled counter-drone system aims to enhance national security by addressing the growing threats posed by drones. Indian Air Force is poised to enhance its long-range air dominance capabilities by potentially procuring 200 to 400 AN-37M air-to-air missiles. This procurement is expected to be a significant topic during Russian President Vladimir Putin's upcoming visit to India, where various defense cooperation initiatives will be discussed. In the context of modern aerial warfare, fifth-generation fighter jets exemplify the highest level of technological advancement, characterized by stealth, networking capabilities, and lethal efficiency. The Indian Air Force faces significant challenges due to a declining number of squadrons and rising threats from neighboring countries, particularly China and Pakistan. As a result, the IAF is at a critical juncture in its strategic planning. Indian Navy is set to enhance its maritime capabilities with the acquisition of 6 additional Boeing P-8I Poseidon maritime patrol aircraft, valued at approximately $4 billion. This strategic move aims to bolster India's defense against stealthy Chinese submarines and piracy in the Indo-Pacific region. DRDO of India has successfully developed and tested the combat configuration of its electrical heavyweight torpedo for the Project 75 submarines. This advanced torpedo is designed for deployment on Scorpene-class submarines and represents a significant advancement in India's undersea warfare capabilities. A senior official from the Indian Air Force has shared insights into the future of the IAF combat fleet, emphasizing the role of the indigenous Tejas Mk2 and the Rafale F4 in enhancing India's air combat capabilities. French aerospace company Safran is making significant strides in India's aerospace sector, focusing on establishing a final assembly line for Rafale fighter jet engines and critical components. This initiative is contingent on further orders from the Indian Air Force and marks a pivotal industrial milestone as it would be Safran's first such facility outside of France. On 26 November 2025, India's stealth frigate, INS Sahyadri, arrived in Manila, marking a pivotal moment in India's naval strategy in the Indo-Pacific region. This visit underscores India's commitment to enhancing maritime cooperation with the Philippines and strengthening regional security frameworks.